Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your HyperPay Wallet application. To log into HyperPay, first of all, open your HyperPay application from your app drawer. Soon after you do that, you will be able to open the app. Now from the first home page, click on Please Login First button. On the next page, choose either phone number or email option to sign in with. Select any one option, but make sure to choose the one that you've previously used while signing up for HyperPay. Now go ahead and enter your email address in the text box, or if you've chosen phone, you will need to enter your phone number and then input your password on the password field. After you are done typing in your password, click the Login button, and soon after you do that, you will be able to log into your HyperPay Wallet app. So that's how it's easily done. All you need is your login credentials and you will be good to go. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned till then.